Okay, I have evacuated. But it's actually should be somewhere. But for now, we can keep ourselves safe. Oh, yes. I gotta talk by a zombie cat. Now! Go! I got him! Wow! Okay. Oh. Benny and Sexy, quick! You guys distract him! And so then, I'll get to the blasting. Whoops! Oh, I missed! Help! Help! Crazy cat eating people's brains! Oh no! What's this crazy cat eating people's brains? There's cats eating people's brains. We need to do something about it. Oh, while they're distracted, I can get inside her base. Did you see what happened? Yes, we saw that. Did you see that? This is where he got attacked. Then, as soon as he continues down the base, he suddenly makes it to only a trap of them. You'll see what happens. Yes, he did get blown up. Look at them fight all the zombie cats. Whoa, that's an attack. Whoa, ow, that's a lot of attacks. And the zombie cats just keep going and moving. Why won't they get away? Benny and Soxy just shot on a rocket for no apparent reason. Whoa, he got that zombie cat. Wow. Oh my gosh, they just keep coming, as I said, and they keep missing. Oh no, they both just worked up to defeat Benny and Soxy. Whoa! Malachi Kenton got himself to attack all the zombie cats in sight. And there is cats. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like so you'll never miss another video.